Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can disconnect lines of a shape in CorelDraw. So I'm just going to create a shape here. I'll just make a pentagon. It's messy, but it's fine. I select this icon, which is the close curve, and then you're going to select this shape tool. Select the one that has, like 2 arrows on it, and you can pretty much move it, and as you can see, it broke it apart. But for instance, you want to do it to the other points of the shape. I'm really bad at describing. I'm just going to right click, select break apart, and then do it to the other line. Select control on your keyboard, select both, and then you can just drag away that line, and you can do it again here. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.